Here is how to install Google Meet on your Windows PC or laptop so you can open it directly from your desktop without visiting the website every time. Let's get straight into it. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, go to meet.google.com. You can also click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of any Google page, then select Meet from the list. Once Google Meet opens, look for the Install icon on the right side of the address bar. Click it, then select Install to confirm. If you don't see the icon, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Depending on your Chrome version, select Cast, Save, and Share, then click Install Google Meet, confirm the installation, and Google Meet will open in its own window, just like a regular desktop application. A shortcut may also be added to your desktop or Start menu. From now on, you can use that shortcut to launch Google Meet without manually opening Chrome and searching for the website, and that's how you can install Google Meet on a Windows PC or laptop. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.